In this short video tutorial, I will teach you how to create a subdomain on GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name in the top right corner and go to the My Products. Right here you need to scroll down and look at the domain section, and right here you need to choose the domain where you want to create the subdomain. So for example, let's choose this one. You need to click DNS right here. Then you need to click Add New Record right here. And then you need to select A in the type. You need to create the name of your subdomain, for example, blog. And you need to write your hosting IP address. So let's write the IP address, and in the detail you can leave it on half an hour. So then you can click the save button right here and you will create your subdomain. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.